Namaste, welcome to the online class. Dear students, in the last class we have discussed various logical operators. There are three types of logical operators. They are AND operator, OR operator and NOT operator. So symbol used to represent AND operator is dot, symbol used to represent OR operator is plus, and symbol used in NOT operator is bar. Then we have discussed evaluation of Boolean expression using truth table. In today's class we are going to study logical gates or logic gates. Let us write the definition of logic gate. Logic gate is an electronic circuit operates on one or more input signals to produce an output signal. Logic gate is an electronic circuit which operates on one or more input signals to produce an output signals. There are three types of logical gates. They are AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. AND or NOT are the three basic gates. We shall discuss one by one. AND gate, so logical gate operates on one or more input signals to produce one output signal. Here AND gate has two or more input signals but only one output signals. Circuit diagram or logic circuit of AND gate is two input signals X and Y are the two input signals. Then output is X dot Y. If X and Y are the two input signals, output of AND gate is X dot Y. This can be read as X and Y. This is two input AND gate. In AND gate, if any one of the input value is 0, then output is 0. Or if both the input values are 1, then output signal is 1. We shall see the truth table of AND gate. See, X and Y are the two variables, then output is X dot Y. Dot operator, dot symbol is used to represent AND operator. X and Y. Here you can see two input variables, so there should be four combinations. Combinations are 0, 0, 1, 1. In the Y column 0, 1, 0, 1. In AND gate, if any one of the input signal is 0, then the output is 0. If both the input signals or if all the input signals are 1, then output is 1. See, here X input signal is 0, Y input signal is 0. Both the input signals are 0, so output is 0. In the second row, X value, X input signal is 0, Y input signal is 1, output is 0. In the third row, X input value is 1, Y input value is 0, so output is 0. In the last row, both the input signals are having the values 1. So output is 1. So this is the truth table of AND gate, truth table for 2 input variables. This is the logic circuit or circuit diagram for 2 input variables. Next, logic diagram of truth table for 3 variables or 3 input signals. In 3 input signals, signals are X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z are the 3 signals, and output is X dot Y dot Z. X dot Y dot Z is the output. Now, truth table for 3 input variables. X, Y, Z are the 3 variables. So if there are 3 variables, there should be 8 combinations. X, Y, Z. First column, in the first column 4 zeros, 4 ones. In the second column 2 zeros, 2 ones, 2 zeros, 2 ones. In the third column 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1, and output is X dot Y dot Z. X dot Y dot Z. In AND operation, if any one of the input value is 0, output is 0. If all the input values or all the input signals are 1, then output is 1. See, in the first row all the input values are 0, so output 0. In the second row 0 0 1, 2 input signals are 0, output is 0. Next 0 1 0, 2 input signals are 0, output 0. Next first input signal 0. Next 1 0 0, 2 input signals are 0. Next 1 0 1, 2 input signals are 1, 1 input signal is 0. Next 1 1 0, third input signal is 0. In the last row all the input signals are 1, so output is 1. This is about AND gate. So this is the logic circuit for 2 variable or 2 input signals, and this is the truth table for 2 input signals X and Y. If there are 2 input signals or 2 variables, 4 combinations are there. This is 3 input logic gate X, Y, Z. If there are 3 inputs, then there should be 8 combinations of zeros and ones. In AND gate, if any one of the input signal is 0, then output is 0. If all the input signals are 1, then output is 1. Next, OR gate. If X, Y are the input signals, then logic circuit is X plus Y. Here plus operator is used to represent OR gate X plus Y. Next, truth table. In the diagram you can see 2 variables X, Y. So what is the output here? X plus Y. In AND gate output was X dot Y. Here X plus Y. 2 variables 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. In OR gate, if any one of the input signal is 1, then output is 1, or if all the input signals are 1, output is 1. If both the input signals are 0, then output is 0. See, in the first row 0 0, both the input signals are 0, output 0. Next 0 1, second input signal is 1, so output is 1. Next 1 0, first input signal is 1, so output is 1. And in the last row both the input signals are 1, so output is 1. So this is the truth table for 2 input signals or 2 input variables. Next, OR gate for 3 input signals. If X, Y, Z are the 3 input signals, then output is X plus Y plus Z. X plus Y plus Z. Here plus operator is used to represent OR gate. For 3 input variables, 8 combinations. Finally, the output is X plus Y plus Z. In the X column, 4 zeros, 4 ones. In the Y column, 2 zeros, 2 ones, 2 zeros, 2 ones. In the Z column, 0 1, 0 1, 0 1, 0 1. X plus Y plus Z. In OR gate or in OR operation, if any one of the input value is 1 or if all the input values are 1, then output is 1. See, in the first row 0 0 0, all the input values are 0, output is 0. Next 0 0 1, one input value is 1, so output is 1. Next 0 1 1, one input value is 1, so output is 1. Next 0 1 1, two input signals are 1, so output is 1. Next one input signal is 1, output is 1. Next again 2 input signals are 1, output is 1. Next 2 input signals are 1, output is 1. Next in the last row, all the input signals are 1 or all the variables are having the values 1, so output signal is 1. So this is about 3 input signals, OR gate for 3 input signals. Next, NOT gate. NOT gate accepts only one input signal and it produces only one output signal. Logic circuit is, if X is the variable, X bar is the output. If X is the variable, X bar is the output. This is the logic circuit of a NOT gate. It operates on one input signal. It accepts one input signal and produces one output signal. Input signal is X, output signal is X bar. Truth table of NOT gate is, X is the input variable, X bar is the output. If value of X is 0, what is X bar? It is 1. If the value of X is 1, X bar is 0. So this is about NOT gate. NOT operates on one input signal and it produces only one output signal. X is the input signal, X bar is the output. If the value of X is 0, X bar is 1. If the value of X is 1, X bar is 0. So we have discussed 3 basic logic gates. What are they? AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. AND gate and OR gate accepts 2 or more input signals but produces only one output signal. NOT gate accepts only one input signal and produces one output signal. So we shall see the definitions. We shall write the definitions. AND gate has two or more input signals but only one output signal. If any one of the input signal is 0, output is 0. Next, OR gate also has two or more input signals but one output signal. NOT gate operates on one input signal to produce one output signal. So this is about the gates. So what is logic gate? Logic gate is an electronic circuit that operates on one or more input signals to produce one output signal. There are three types of gates: AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. AND gate, symbol used to represent AND operation is dot. We have seen the logic circuit for two input signals and three input signals, truth table for two input variables and three input variables. Next, OR gate. OR gate has two or more input signals but one output signal. NOT gate, which operates on one input signal to produce one output signal. In NOT operation, output state is always the complement of input state. If x is 0, in NOT gate x bar is 1. If x is 1, x bar is 0. Okay. Next, postulates of Boolean algebra. Basic postulates of Boolean algebra. Are: first postulate, if x is not equal to 0, then x equal to 1. So we know that Boolean algebra deals with the binary numbers, that is zeros and ones. If the value of x is not equal to 0, then value is 1. If the value of x, if value of x is not equal to 1, then value of x is 0. Here variables are called as logical variables. Logical variables can store binary values, either 0 or 1. If x is not equal to 0, then x equal to 1. If x is not equal to 1, then x equal to 0. This is the first postulate. Second one, OR relations. In OR relation, 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. If we consider the logic diagram, see, 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. If the input signals are 0, then output signal is 0. Next, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. If one input signal is 0, another input signal is 1, then in OR gate output is 1. Next, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. One input signal is 1, second input signal is 0, so output is 1 in OR gate. Next, 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. If both the input signals are 1, output is 1. Both the input signals are 1, then in OR gate output is 1. So these are the OR relations. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, 1 plus 1 equal to 1. Third postulate, AND relations. AND relations. In AND, dot operator is used. 0 dot 0 is equal to 0, 0 1 is equal to 0, 1 dot 0 is equal to 0, 1 dot 1 is equal to 1. Next, logic symbol. If both the input signals are 0, in AND output signal is 0. Next, one input signal is 0, another input signal is 1. In AND, if any one of the input signal is 0, output is 0. Next, 1 dot 0, 1 and 0. Here second input signal is 0, so output signal is 0. Then 1 1 1 1. In AND gate, if both the input signals are 1, then output is 1. Fourth postulate, complementary rule or complement rule. If x equal to 0, x bar is equal to 1. If x equal to 0, x bar is equal to 1. If x is equal to 1, x bar is equal to 0. If input signal is 0, output signal, if x value is 0, output signal is 1. If input signal is 1, complement of 1 is 0. So these are the Boolean postulates. First postulate, if x is not equal to 0, then value of x equal to 1. If x is not equal to 1, then x value is equal to 0. Second postulate, OR relations. In OR relations, if any one of the input signal is 1, output is 1, or if all the input signals are 1, output signal is 1. Next, AND relations. In AND relations, if any one of the input signal is 0, then output signal is 0. If all the input signals are 1, output is 1. And complementary rule, if x equal to 0, x bar is equal to 1. If x equal to 1, x bar equal to 0. So in the NOT, output state is always the complement of input state. Next topic is principle of duality. This is very important, can be asked for 2 marks. Principle of duality. Let us write the definition of principle of duality. So, principle of duality states that starting with a Boolean relation another Boolean relation can be derived by changing each and sign to or sign and or sign to and sign. And changing each 0 by 1 and 1 by 0. So, principle of duality states that starting with a Boolean relation, another Boolean relation can be derived by changing each and sign to or sign, changing each or sign to and sign, changing each 0 by 1 and 1 by 0. This is the principle of duality. We shall find out the dual of the given expressions. For example, dual of 0 plus 1. How to find out dual of 0 plus 1? According to the principle of duality, change each and sign to or sign to and sign, and changing each 0 by 1 and 1 by 0. Now, dual of 0 plus 1. Now, change 0 by 1. Here you can see OR operator. So, change OR operator to AND operator. Next it is 1, change 1 to 0. Now 1 and 0 is the dual of 0 or 1. Next, dual of x plus y bar and x bar plus z. So, dual of this expression is first variable x, next there is OR operator plus change OR operator to AND operator dot, next y bar dot. Here you can see AND operator, change AND operator to OR operator, next x bar. So this is OR operator, change it to AND operator z. So x dot y bar plus x bar dot z is the dual of x plus y bar dot x bar plus z. Next, dual of 1 plus x into y bar into z. So dual of 1 plus x into y bar dot z. 1 change 1 by 0, change plus sign to dot sign. Next x, next you can see dot operator or and operation, so change it to or. Next y bar and operator, so change it to or z. So this is the dual of 1 plus x into y bar dot z. One more expression, dual of a into 1 plus b bar into 0. A dot, change dot operator to plus 1, change 1 by 0. Next plus dot b bar plus change 0 by 1. Now this is the dual of a dot 1 plus b bar dot 0. So this is about principle of duality. So derived expression is called dual of the original expression. In this example, 1 dot 0 is the dual of 0 plus 1. In the second expression, x dot y bar plus x bar dot z is the dual of x plus y bar dot x bar plus z. So derived expression is called as dual of the original expression. So principle of duality states that starting with the Boolean relation, using one Boolean relation, we can derive another Boolean relation by changing each and sign to or sign, that is dot to plus and or sign, plus to and, plus to dot. Next, changing each 0 by 1 and 1 by 0. Next, Boolean theorems. Boolean theorems. Boolean postulates are used to define the Boolean theorems. Boolean theorems can be proved using two methods. The methods are proof by perfect induction method, proof by perfect induction method, and truth table method. These two methods are used to prove the Boolean theorems. So proof by perfect induction method means substituting the variables with 0 and 1. If we substitute the variables with 0 and 1, then it is called proof by perfect induction method. Okay, we shall discuss various theorems of Boolean algebra. First theorem, properties of zeros and ones. Properties of zeros and ones. First property, 0 plus x is equal to x. Next property, 1 plus x is equal to 1. Next, 0 into x is equal to 0. 1 into x is equal to x. So these are the properties of zeros and ones. 0 plus x is equal to x. 1 plus x is equal to 1. 0 into x, 0 dot x is equal to 0. 1 dot x is equal to x. These are the properties of zeros and ones. So we shall prove this using proof by perfect induction method and truth table method. So can we write the logic gate for these properties? Yes. You can see OR operator 0 x. So what is the output? It is output is x. Next 1 x, output is 1. Next and 0 x are the input signals and gate is and output is 0. Next 1 x, output is x. Okay, we shall discuss one by one. First property, 0 plus x. 0 plus x is equal to x. Proof by perfect induction method. In proof by perfect induction method, we are substituting the variables with 0 and 1. If x is equal to 0, if x is equal to 0 in the given expression or given property, 0 plus x equal to x, 0 plus x is in LHS left hand side and x is in RHS right hand side. If x equal to 0, LHS is equal to 0 plus x. 0 plus x. See. Now substitute x with 0. If value of x equal to 0, substitute x with 0, LHS must be equal to 0. So 0 plus substitute x with 0, 0. 0 plus 0, what is the answer? In OR relation, both the input variables are 0, so output is 0. So 0, we got the answer 0, that is equal to RHS. If x equal to 1, if x equal to 1, write the LHS. LHS is equal to 0 plus x. Now substitute x with 1. So LHS must be equal to 1. Substitute x with 1. LHS 0 plus x, that is equal to 0 plus 1. Substitute x with 1. What is 0 plus 1? 0 plus 1 is 1. By OR relation, we can say that 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. That is equal to RHS. If x is substituted with 1. So 0 plus 1, 1. 1 is equal to 1. So here we have proved first property using proof by perfect induction method. Let us prove the first property using truth table method. In truth table method, we are going to prepare truth table for the property 0 x, 0 plus x, output is 0 plus x. Now substitute x with the 0, input value is 0, Now 0 plus x, what is the answer? 0 plus x is 0. Next 0, variable x, value of x is 1. In the second row, value of x is 1. 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. That is equal to x. See here, 0 plus x is equal to x. 0 plus x is equal to x. So this is the truth table of first property. Thus, for every value of x, 0 plus x is equal to x always. Next, second property. So we have proved first property, 0 plus x equal to x, using proof by perfect induction method as well as truth table method. Next property, 1 plus x is equal to 1. One plus x is equal to 1. In proof by perfect induction method, we are substituting the variables with zeros and 1, 0 and 1. If x equal to 0, LHS is equal to 1 plus x, 1 plus x. Now substitute x with 0, 1 plus 0. What is 1 plus 0? According to OR relation, if one of the input signal is 0 or if one of the variable is 1, output is 1. 1. See, LHS 1 plus x, we got the answer 1, that is equal to RHS by OR relation. By OR relation, so 1 is equal to 1, that is equal to RHS. If x equal to 1, now substitute x with 1. If x equal to 1, LHS is equal to 1 plus x. Now substitute x with the 1. 1 plus 1. What is 1 plus 1? According to OR relation, 1 plus 1 is 1. OR relation. In LHS, we got the answer 1, that is equal to RHS. 1. 1 is equal to 1. Thus, it is equal to RHS. We shall see the truth table for second property. 1x, output is 1 plus x. Zero, 0. 1 plus x, 0, sorry, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 plus x, 1 plus 0. What is the answer? According to OR relation, 1, next 1, 1. 1 plus 1 is 1 according to OR relation. Thus, for every value of x, 1 plus x equal to 1 always. We shall continue in the next class.